Kia ora, my name is Jackie Hokamo and I'm a small business owner and a mum. Been working in hospitality for about 25 years. Started in cafes, making coffee and that kind of thing, and just spent a lot of time around really excellent chefs and learning to cook, and did a little bit of cafe cooking.
Massive. And then to your own kai cart.
Yes, yeah. Into our own kai cart, which has been a huge sort of dream to get on the road.
I guess the big drive for Franklin's food truck was not only in your background. Tell me more about that, please.
Well, we've always been in the food industry and we've been chefing, and we'd had a couple of sort of pop-up opportunities in the village. We did a few cooking nights at the pub and also down at the local country club, and that sort of let the village and everyone got to know our food, and it really was from demand from the people. They wanted more options for food in the village. Yeah, we really wanted to find an avenue where we could deliver that.
My name is Sean Rankin. I am a chef. I work side by side with my partner.
This community is quite a tight-knit one, right? Tell me more about that, please.
As soon as we moved to Porangahau, I soon realised that everyone actually know each other and they're all knitted to each other, all cousins and stuff like that. And being a community quite a distance from town, they all have to help each other and try their best to get along. Yeah, we've got our neighbour over here, he's Orlando. He does a bit of everything around here. You'll see him coaching the rugby, wearing the fire brigade uniform, making the coffee. Down here, just behind us, we've got the pigs. Those are Jamie's pigs, so he's put them there. Everyone can get rid of their food scraps there. Right next to us is Credence. He owns the mechanics over there, so he serviced Franklin for us, make sure it was all roadworthy. We've been welcomed by everyone because there's a lot of hunting. We've had some local farmers drop us meat when we first moved here, and everyone making sure if we need anything, so it is a very close town.
We seem to be here every time you're off. I'd say we're regulars. They make everything homemade. I think a lot of people think it's too hard basket to make whole foods. And it kind of what used to be very normal is now it's like a diet or it's a thing, but it's actually just food, isn't it? I think it's amazing. I think it's so little, but it symbolizes so much. They've made it accessible. There is nothing out here, maybe some cool chips, but even then, you can't live off that. And so, yeah, it's really awesome that they've done this.
How would you rate their food truck?
Oh, their food truck is 10 out of 10, and they're 10 out of 10. We love them.
The kai on your menu, beautiful. What is the most popular item on your menu?
So far, definitely our steak burger. I make a beautiful focaccia bun to put that on, so it's all nice and soft. I think it comes down to good quality ingredients. We're really passionate about whole food and source of wairua. It's so important. We want to show people that you can make really delicious food from scratch and we don't have to buy all that processed stuff. We wanted to do something with a little bit more awhi,